We all feel stress, a response to demands that exceed our ability to cope. It's not only psychological. Biology plays a major role in the stress response.
The most recognizable biological stress response is how we react to danger. When we are frightened by a sudden threat, real or suspected, our brain quickly prepares us to act. American physiologist Walter Bradford Cannon coined the term the fight or flight response for this reaction, since it prepares us to defend ourselves from attack or to escape danger by running away. The thalamus relays visual, auditory, and touch information to other parts of the brain. When we sense something dangerous, the thalamus sends this information to both the amygdala and the relevant sensory cortices. While the sensory cortex analyzes the information with help from the hippocampus, the amygdala acts immediately, making sure we can respond quickly. If the cortex works out there isn't really a threat, it sends a message back to the amygdala to cancel the fight or flight response. The amygdala's signal goes to the hypothalamus, the part of the brain which links our nervous and endocrine systems together. The hypothalamus activates two systems to prepare us for fight or flight. The sympathetic nervous system activates the body to deal with a stressful situation. Nerve impulses activate smooth muscles in organs throughout the body, with many effects. Our pupils dilate, helping us to see clearly. Our heart beats harder, and structures in our lungs dilate, increasing oxygen to the body. Impulses also tell the adrenal medulla, part of the adrenal glands, to release the hormones epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, and norepinephrine, also known as noradrenaline, into the bloodstream. These stress hormones further stimulate the organs, including the liver, which produces glucose to increase blood sugar. This quickly supplies the body with more energy. At the same time, the adrenal cortical system is activated. The hypothalamus releases corticotropin-releasing factor, CRF, to stimulate the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland, our major endocrine organ, responds to the CRF by releasing adrenocorticotropic hormone, or ACTH, into the bloodstream. This in turn activates the adrenal cortex, another part of the adrenal glands. They release around 30 hormones, most importantly cortisol. These hormones prepare us for a prolonged response to danger. Their effects include constriction of veins in the skin, allowing improved blood flow to major muscles becoming tense and energized, and non-essential systems, like digestion and the immune response, shutting down to free up energy for defense.